Hello and welcome to Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel, your go-to source for clear, expert legal advice with a touch of charm. Today we're diving into a question that confuses many property buyers and owners alike. Can a property be both freehold and leasehold? Now, if you're scratching your head thinking, that sounds like trying to be both the landlord and the tenant at the same time, you're not far off, but let's break it down. First, a quick refresher. In England and Wales, there are two main types of property ownership, freehold and leasehold. Freehold means you own the property and the land it stands on, forever, no strings attached. You're the king or queen of your castle. Leasehold, on the other hand, means you own the property for a set period, usually decades, sometimes centuries, but not the land. That belongs to the freeholder. So, can a property be both? Here's where it gets interesting. Yes, under certain circumstances, a property can exhibit characteristics of both freehold and leasehold. Let's explore how. So, take a mixed-use development for example. The ground floor might be a shop owned outright, that's what we call freehold, but the flats above, well, they could be leasehold, sold off to individual buyers under long leases. Or imagine a large house that's been converted into flats. The building itself might be owned freehold by just one person, but each flat is sold leasehold. Sometimes leaseholders even club together to buy the freehold, and that creates a sort of hybrid ownership structure. Understanding this hybrid setup is honestly crucial, especially if you're buying, selling, or managing property. So, there are a number of considerations you should keep in mind. For example, you might be responsible for ground rent or service charges. You could also have restrictions on making alterations or subletting your property, and if you're a leaseholder, you might want to think about extending your lease or even buying the freehold. These aren't just legal technicalities, they actually affect your rights, your responsibilities, and even, the value of your property. If you're dealing with a property that might be part freehold, part leasehold, or you're just not sure, don't guess. Get expert legal advice. At Blackstone Solicitors, we specialize in navigating the complexities of property law. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, we're here to help. If you've got questions, we've got answers. Give us a ring or visit our website to book a free initial consultation with a member of our client engagement team. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.